Stop making boring presentation. Instead, try this cool infographic design to impress your audience. First, go to Insert, then go to Chart. Select Pie Chart, then select Donut Shape. Now there will appear an Excel sheet. Now let's add more value for more shape. Now uncheck this element for hide the text. Now right-click the shape and go to the Format Chart area. Now select the shape again to decrease the donut hole area. Now cut the shape and go to Paste option. Then select Special Paste option. And select this option. Now ungroup the shape. Then go to the Format Background. Select all of them and go to 3D Rotation. Then select this preset. Let's add some depth into them. Now adjust this shape like this. Now change their depth size for the different shape. Now change the lighting. Now we can change the color for each shape. Now select all of them and choose Zoom in Animation. Then change the effect option as Slide Center. Now select After Previous. Your slide is ready. For custom presentation, order link in bio. Subscribe for more tutorial.